Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using rickety ladders that make you question your safety with every step? Look no further than the Loyoda Work Platform 500 pounds, a game-changing step ladder that's about to revolutionize the way you work at heights. This incredibly sturdy platform supports up to 500 pounds, giving you the confidence to tackle any task without worrying about your ladder collapsing under you. With its textured striped surface and non-slip foot pads, you'll feel secure even on wet or slippery floors. The Loyoda Work Platform has been a popular choice among many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, praising its ease of use and reliability. One of the standout features of this ladder is its 4 adjustable heights, allowing you to find the perfect setting for your needs, whether you're washing cars, cleaning windows, or decorating. The one-touch folding mechanism makes it easy to transport and store, and the nylon handle provides a comfortable grip. You'll also appreciate the extra storage space, which keeps your tools and supplies within easy reach. The platform opens in just 5 seconds, requiring no setup, and the aluminum construction ensures a long lifespan. With the Loyoda Work Platform, you'll be able to tackle tasks with ease and precision, feeling super comfy and supported every step of the way. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this ladder is sure to become your new go-to tool, providing a safe and comfortable working experience that's hard to find with other ladders on the market. So why wait? Give the Loyoda Work Platform a try and experience the difference for yourself. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.